Okay, so today is the first day of GCQ here in Metro Manila, and let's check out the area. Let's see if malls are open and what we will be able to do. So, if you're ready, let's go! So we're here at one of the malls in the Cubao area, and they are open. This is the first day of GCQ, and this is the first day of the mall opening. As you can see, there are already some stores that are open. There are some essential and non-essential establishments that are already open. Not much people, and social distancing is still being enforced. Let's start the food vlog. So this next food destination is called Savory or Savory. It was started by 4 Chinese brothers, and the establishment has been open since 1950. So that's around 70 years already. And they are very famous for their chicken. So in this place, I asked the attendant what was their 2 famous meals. And I ended up ordering half chicken classic, which costs 275 pesos, and the Binondo Miki Bihon, which costs 275 pesos also. Now their half classic is a half chicken treated with their secret ingredients, and it comes with a fried piece of banana and their secret gravy. Now as the chicken comes closer to your nose, you can definitely smell that unique aroma. I smell a little of sweetness. I smell a little of soy sauce. I think there is 5 spice. I can't wait to dig into this. So, as I poke my fork into the chicken, I can notice that the chicken is tender. It's not soft as in melt in your mouth, but it is tender. And surprisingly, I noticed that the chicken skin is crispy. It does give this crackling sound. Chicken skin. So now, let's try the chicken. I'll get a small piece first. Let's see if the flavor sunk into the meat. It definitely has a unique flavor. I do sense some 5 spice. It is salty and a little bit of sweetness. I do taste soy sauce. The meat is just chewable enough. It's not tough. It tastes like a mixture of roast duck and Jollibee without the crispiness. It's a very unique flavor and it tastes so good. Now, as I always mention, the best part is the chicken skin. So let's taste the chicken skin. This tastes so good. Now, as you can see, it also has the fried banana. Just how Filipinos love their fried banana. It's a little bit sweet. It's not that crispy anymore because I was not able to eat this meal right away. But it's so good. Now, this comes with sauce. So let's taste the sauce first, and then let's taste the chicken with the sauce. Now, for the sauce, as it comes closer to your nose, it has also a unique smell. I smell a little bit of star anise. I smell a little bit of the chicken, which is weird. Anyway, let's taste it. Interesting. I mean, the interesting is good interesting. It tastes like corn, but I do taste the chicken drippings, and I do taste a little bit of Jollibee. So now, let's taste the chicken with the sauce. Let's get a little bit of chicken. And let's dip it in the sauce. Again, I am in chicken heaven right now. The sauce definitely gives it a very big upgrade. No wonder they gave me a lot of sauce. It really does taste good with the sauce. I would recommend for each time you get a piece of the chicken, make sure to dunk it in the sauce because it really tastes so good. Now let's move on to their other bestseller, the Binondo Miki Bihon. Now, as I check the noodles, I do see the Miki, which are the large noodles, and I do see the Bihon, which are the smaller noodles. I also notice kikiam. Now, this is not your ordinary kikiam, which is only flour. I do notice pieces of meat, vegetable, which is carrots in the kikiam. I also notice small shrimp, cabbage, liver, pork, and some carrots. Now, as the noodles comes closer to your nose, you can definitely smell pancit. I do smell a little of sweet. My mouth is watering already. Anyway, let's taste this and see why this is one of their best sellers. I can definitely taste soy sauce. I can taste a little bit of sweet. I can taste a little bit of salt. I don't taste any pepper. There's no sour flavor to it. They did not provide me with any calamansi fruits. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be with calamansi fruits or not, but I would recommend putting a little bit of calamansi so that you would experience a little bit of an upgrade. Now let's taste with some pieces of the kikiam and carrots. Definitely Filipino pancit. And the kikiam tastes good. It's not just your ordinary kikiam. I mean, all the added ingredients in this kikiam does give it an upgrade. It really tastes good. I'm sorry, I had to take one more bite. The smell is calling to me and saying, eat me, eat me. Now, as you can see, this is a large order and this is 275. So this meal plus the chicken plus probably one more would be good enough for me. I don't know about you guys. So I'll try to eat a little, then I'll give my review in a bit. Now I would like to thank the Savory branch for taking care of me very much. Although I was not able to eat inside the place because we are still following social distancing, they really took care of me. And for that, I would like to thank the Savory staff at Cubao branch. I would like to give a very big shout out to Juan Ramirez, Clarissa Cajello, and Sheila Guevero. Good job. Okay, to sum things up, I would not be surprised why Savory is still open up to now. They've been open since 1950, which makes it around 70 years already. Their chicken is really unique. As I mentioned a while ago, while I was eating the chicken, it tastes like a combination of roast duck and the Chicken Joy of Jollibee. The chicken is tender. I wouldn't say soft, but it is tender. And I was surprised that the chicken skin was not crispy, crunchy, but it was crispy. Now, the gravy of the chicken is also unique. It has a little bit of star anise flavor with a flavor of the Jollibee gravy. So make sure to dunk the chicken inside the gravy. You will have a very different kind of eating experience. Now, as for the Binondo Miki Bihon, for 275 pesos, that order is a lot already. Now, I would not be surprised why it is one of their best sellers because of the size. And the taste is how Filipino Miki Bihon really tastes like. Now, I don't know if they forgot, but the pancit would really be upgraded if you added a little calamansi to it. So if they do have calamansi, probably you can request for some and add it on to the pancit. Now my schedule for June has been planned already, and I have an upcoming vacation and hopefully a good food review when I go to that place. Now if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure to subscribe below so you will be informed. And if there's anything else I missed out on, or if you would want me to visit any place, please feel free to comment below. I'll make sure to check them out, and I will see you in the next video. To watch more videos in Facebook, like, share, and follow. And in YouTube, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you will be updated each time we have new videos. Also, don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video.